Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Suwai. Today I am going to make adai with watermelon rind. After cutting the watermelon, I have removed the green skin of the watermelon and kept this white portion of the watermelon. Now here I have taken 1 cup of rice, half cup of Chana Dal, quarter cup of Tuvar Dal, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 red chilli, 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now after soaking the rice and dal for 2 hours, we will grind. I'll be adding the curry leaves also while grinding, and we need asafoetida, salt and oil for preparing this. Some of the 1 or 2 pieces I will putting while grinding these, and then remaining portion I will be grating it and put it in the adai while preparing the adai. I have taken 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 green chilli and few pieces of watermelon rind, and I'm going to grind this. You can either grind it to a smooth paste or slightly in the rava form. I have taken 3 pieces of watermelon rind here, and half cup I have grated and squeezed out the water and kept it here. The water I have not thrown it, this I will be using it in the batter. I have made various dishes out of this watermelon rind. I will be posting the link in the description box, which you can go through. I will add salt into this and the grated watermelon rind and 1 onion finely chopped, a generous pinch of asafoetida, mix this well. If you want, you can add chopped coriander leaves also, and grated coconut or bits of coconut you can add into this. So our adai batter is ready here with the watermelon rind. I use the squeezed water while grinding the batter. Tawa is hot. It's an iron tawa. Grease it. I am using til oil. Now pour the batter. Adai is prepared normally slightly thick. Then you just make holes like this. You can also make like dosa, thin. Then you just pour oil. Keep the flame low and cook it very slowly. Drizzle some oil. Flip it. Cooked. We'll remove it. I will show you how. Like dosa also we can prepare this very thin. Now we'll flip this. So our watermelon rind adai and dosa is ready here. Normally this is served along with white butter and jaggery. I didn't have the white butter, so I am serving it with Amul butter. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. This is the best out of waste dish. I hope you will enjoy this. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. The watermelon rind recipes which I have made, I am giving link in the description box.